Learning to program can be a daunting task, but with the right techniques, you can speed up the process significantly. Today, we'll explore some effective methods to learn programming quickly and efficiently. First, focus on the basics. Understanding fundamental concepts is crucial. Spend time mastering variables, loops, and functions before diving into more complex topics. Next, practice consistently. Dedicate a specific amount of time each day to coding. Consistency helps reinforce what you've learned and makes it easier to retain new information. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Debugging is an essential part of programming. Each error you encounter is an opportunity to learn and improve. Utilize online resources. Websites like Code Academy, Coursera, and Free Code Camp offer excellent courses and tutorials. These platforms provide interactive lessons that can help solidify your understanding. Join a community. Engaging with other learners and experienced programmers can provide valuable insights and support. Platforms like Stack Overflow and GitHub are great places to connect with others. Finally, build projects. Applying what you've learned in real-world scenarios is one of the best ways to enhance your skills. Start with small projects and gradually take on more complex challenges. Remember, learning to program is a journey. Stay patient, stay curious, and keep coding. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Takali Tutorial.